So guys, the gas limit inside this machine is 6 kg before from pipeline. As you can see it, we are doing.
Internal tank should be between 3 to 6 kilograms after refill.
So friends, this is X565 car AC machine. So inside it we insert gas. So friends, we start the work. So first we have to check how much gas is inside the machine. So guys, the gas limit inside this machine is 6 kg. Before filling the gas, you have to check the gas inside your machine, how much is it. So friends, first we have to click on the refill option. Then it is giving us this instructions. As you can see it,
Refill process is to add the refrigerant from the source tank to the internal tank. Recommended weight of refrigerant in the internal tank should be between 3 to 6 kilograms after refilled.
you have to keep the cylinder upside down. First you have to take the blue pipeline of the machine and then remove its adapter. Then you have to fit the blue pipeline inside the cylinder. You have to tie the blue pipeline well.
Second instruction. Please close the valve of the source tank. Connect the blue hose to the source tank. Run vacuum to clear all internal air.
We have to click on the OK option. We have option to add gas. As you can see, we have 1 kg 439 gram of gas already inside the machine. So now we will put 3 kg of gas in it. Gas has started falling into the machine. As you can see it, gas has been put into the machine.
Closing instruction. Please close the valve of the source tank. Refrigerant in the hoses will be recovered.
Does not come out of our cylinder. Close up of cylinder valve. You can see that gas has started to recover doing this so that when we pull the pipeline out of the cylinder, this is being done so that gas, as you can see it, as our pressure drops to 0, our gas will escape. So friends, we have put full gas inside the machine. As you can see it. So friends, we have put 5 kg 642 gram of gas. So friends, we have complete our work.